Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mike for USA Updates with a bombshell from the Supreme Court. But before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. Retirement is always an option for the Supreme Court justices, whether it be health, old age, just not doing their jobs the way they should be anymore. It's something that's a hard decision. If you guys remember the late Supreme Court Justice, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, she held on to the end, and of course, the late great Antonin Scalia Justice, Antonin Scalia, he also held on to the end, but his death was more of a surprise than Justice Ginsburg's, who we had seen coming for years. So Supreme Court justices tend to stay on as long as they can, but one conservative Supreme Court justice gave a little insight as to when he's going to retire. And, gosh, as far as I'm concerned, I would like him to retire tomorrow so he could be replaced by President Donald Trump. But it doesn't look like it's in the cards. I want you guys to watch this video regarding Chief Justice John Roberts, somebody we've all been disappointed in quite a bit. But sometimes he still comes through for the conservative side. I want you to watch this and let me know what you think in the comments.
Not much of a problem. So some of your colleagues have retired. You ever think about that? I mean, you're too young now, but someday, would you?
No.
No. Because you love what you do too much?
I'm going out feet first.
Mm-hmm.
It's just...
I am too.
Yeah, good. Well, no, I say that now. I mean, I'm sure if your health declines and all, and if you recognize that you're a burden to the court rather than part of an assist to everybody, then, it'll be time to go. I have very good friends that were, for a long time, many years, and I've sat down with them and said I want, at appropriate time, because you don't always notice that you're slipping. I want the, two of you to tell me if it's time to go. It's a long pause, and at once the two of them said, "It's time to go." So I said, "All right, never mind. I'll find out."
I have that deal
with
Chief Judge Wolford.
It is kind of surprising.
She's going to tell me. She hasn't said anything yet. Maybe after this she will.
It is surprising how rare it has been on the court for that to become an issue. Really just a handful of times. I think it's because it's a collegial, both in a technical sense and in a popular sense, group of people that you develop relationships where if the people do come, there have been times when somebody has stayed a little longer than they should, then the other colleagues come, and it's always really worked out. So I don't think that's going to be a problem. So, but it is, I still feel pretty healthy.
Yeah. Do you love what you do? I mean, do you really look forward to it?
It's exciting to get up, every morning and go into work.